Have you ever pondered how our ancient ancestors constructed the colossal pyramids without the aid of modern machinery or technology? The very thought stirs intrigue and fascination, doesn't it? The pyramids, these monumental tributes of the past, have stood the test of time, a testament to the genius of their builders. The construction of these enigmatic pyramids has been a subject of debate and speculation for centuries. From the pyramids of Giza in Egypt to the temples of the Mayans and Aztecs, these structures are the epitome of architectural mastery. Theories abound, each as intriguing as the next. Some argue that extraterrestrial beings intervened, lending their advanced technology to the cause. Others suggest that our ancestors were far more technologically advanced than we give them credit for, harnessing the power of sound or vibration to move and shape massive stones. A more grounded explanation points to the sheer human ingenuity and determination. It paints a picture of thousands of workers united in their effort, using simple tools such as ropes, pulleys, and primitive stone-cutting instruments. They worked in harmony, their sweat and toil, creating these awe-inspiring structures that have stood unshaken for millennia. But no matter the theory, one fact remains unchallenged. The construction of these pyramids was a monumental task, a feat that remains unparalleled in human history. The sheer scale and precision of these structures speaks volumes about the capabilities of our ancestors. They were not just builders, but visionaries, their work echoing through the ages, a testament to their skill, their ingenuity, and their indomitable spirit. So, as we stand in awe of these magnificent structures, we can't help but wonder, how did they do it? How did they transform raw stone and manpower into these majestic pyramids that continue to inspire awe and wonder? So let's journey back in time and unravel these secrets of the ancient world, starting from the very beginning. The journey of pyramid construction begins in ancient Egypt, around 2700 BC, with the Step Pyramid at Saqqara. This is the earliest known pyramid, the Step Pyramid of Giza, a remarkable testament to human ingenuity and the power of architectural innovation. Imagine, if you will, a time when the concept of a pyramid was still in its infancy. The Egyptians, in their ever-persistent quest for immortality, began to experiment with a new form of construction. They started with a simple mastaba, a rectangular tomb, and stacked one on top of the other, gradually decreasing in size, to form a step-like structure. This was the birth of the Step Pyramid, a design that would pave the way for the legendary pyramids of Giza. At the heart of this architectural revolution was the polymath, Imhotep. Often considered the first architect in history, Imhotep was the visionary behind the Step Pyramid. He introduced the use of locally sourced limestone, a material that was both abundant and durable. This marked a significant shift from the mud brick constructions of the past. Imhotep wasn't just an architect, though. He was also an engineer, a priest, and a physician, and his vision extended beyond the pyramid itself. He designed an entire complex around the pyramid, complete with a funerary temple, a courtyard, and a series of dummy buildings. One of the most distinctive elements of Imhotep's design was the use of stone columns and lintels. These were not merely decorative, but they provided structural support, distributing the weight of the stone blocks above. This was a revolutionary concept in architecture, one that would be adopted and refined by civilizations for millennia to come. Imhotep's contributions to architecture and engineering were so profound that he would later be deified, remembered as a god of builders. His pyramid at Saqqara stands as a testament to his genius, a beacon of human achievement that continues to inspire awe and wonder to this day. This marked the birth of a new era, where humans began to construct monumental structures that would withstand the test of time. Fast forward to the Fourth Dynasty, a time when the Great Pyramids of Giza were born. We're now stepping into an era of grandeur and brilliance, where the ambitious pharaohs of the Fourth Dynasty commissioned the construction of the most magnificent structures known to mankind, the Pyramids of Giza. The grandest of these, the Great Pyramid of Giza, was built for Pharaoh Khufu, standing tall as one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Imagine this, over 2 million blocks of limestone, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons, were masterfully crafted and stacked to form this colossal structure. Now that's a lot of stone. The limestone was quarried nearby, skillfully cut using copper chisels and dolerite pounders, and then transported to the construction site. The sheer scale of this operation is mind-boggling, isn't it? But that's not all. The ancient Egyptians didn't just haphazardly pile up stones. Oh no, they were way more sophisticated than that. The pyramids of Giza were meticulously aligned with the stars. Specifically, the sides of the pyramids were astronomically aligned to face the cardinal points of the compass, north, south, east, and west. This precision, achieved thousands of years ago without the aid of modern technology, is a testament to their remarkable understanding of astronomy and geometry. And let's not forget the workforce. Tens of thousands of people were employed in the construction of these pyramids. These were not slaves, but paid laborers, skilled artisans and engineers working in 3-month shifts. They were well fed and cared for, a significant indication of the importance that the pharaohs placed on these monumental projects. These incredible structures stand as a testament to the remarkable capabilities of early human societies. Their ingenuity, their determination, and their profound understanding of the world around them led to the creation of these timeless monuments. The pyramids of Giza, the crowning glory of ancient Egypt, truly encapsulate the spirit of human endeavor and achievement. Remarkable, isn't it? But Egypt wasn't the only civilization to master the art of pyramid building. The Mayans and Aztecs also left behind incredible structures. Journeying across the Atlantic, we find ourselves in the heart of Mesoamerica, home to the Mayan and Aztec civilizations. This was a world where pyramids weren't just tombs for the dead, but also integral components of city planning and vital stages for religious and societal rituals. Take a moment to imagine the grandeur of these structures. Unlike their Egyptian counterparts, Mesoamerican pyramids were typically step pyramids, with terraces and a flat top, often crowned by a temple. This unique architectural style was more than just a design choice. It was a reflection of their cosmological beliefs, with each step representing a different level of the universe. The materials used for these pyramids also differed from those in Egypt. Instead of stone blocks hauled from quarries, the Mayans and Aztecs used locally available materials, such as limestone, sandstone, and even volcanic rock. These materials were shaped using stone tools, an arduous process that highlights the immense dedication and skill of these ancient builders. But perhaps the most striking aspect of these pyramids is the role they played in everyday life. They weren't just static monuments or royal tombs. Instead, they were active parts of their cities, used for religious ceremonies, astronomical observations, and even as landmarks for navigation. The Pyramid of the Sun at Teotihuacan, the Temple of Kukulkan at Chichen Itza, and the Templo Mayor in Tenochtitlan, these were the beating hearts of their respective cities, pulsing with life and activity. So as we stand in awe of these ancient structures, we must remember that they were more than just feats of engineering. They were symbols of power, centers of community, and bridges to the divine. They tell us that no matter where we come from, humans have always looked up, striving to connect with the cosmos. The pyramids of the New World further demonstrate the universal human desire to reach for the skies. These ancient engineers, with their rudimentary tools and boundless ingenuity, have left a legacy that continues to inspire us. From the towering pyramids of Giza to the intricate temples of the Mayans and Aztecs, we've journeyed together through time, unraveling the secrets of ancient building techniques. Every stone, every monument, every pyramid speaks volumes of the mastery of the ancient builders. Their techniques, whether it was the use of ropes and pulleys, the chiseling of stone, or the transport of massive blocks across miles, are a testament to their innovative spirit and tenacity. The Great Pyramids of Giza, standing tall and majestic, are a testament to the brilliance of the ancient Egyptians. Constructed with precision and an understanding of the cosmos, these structures are not merely tombs but symbols of a civilization's ambition and prowess. The Mayans and Aztecs, too, showcased their ingenuity through their constructions. With their step pyramids and temples, they painted a vivid picture of their understanding of the world and their place in it. Their ability to shape their environment to their will, using the resources at their disposal, is a testament to their resilience and creativity. These ancient builders, regardless of their geographical location or cultural background, all shared a common trait, a drive to push the boundaries of what was possible. They didn't just build structures, they built legacies, enduring testaments to their civilizations that continue to captivate us thousands of years later. As we delve deeper into their techniques and accomplishments, we realize that these ancient societies were not so different from us. They shared our curiosity, our ambition, our drive to innovate. They remind us of what we as humans are capable of achieving when we set our minds to it. As we stand in awe of these ancient wonders, we are reminded of the remarkable capabilities of human ingenuity and determination. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember to subscribe and join us next time as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the ancient world.